Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you move channels on Discord mobile. So first of all, just go to your Discord app. Now in the Discord app, click the top left the three dash icon and click the three dot icon of your Discord server. Now just click on settings. Now just click on channels. Now click the top right reorder and click on categories. Now you can just press on a category and drag it anywhere you want, like this. And after that, just click the top right done. So guys, that's how you can move channels on Discord app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.